Excel Laser Vision Institute, and I'm here today to answer some of the most commonly asked questions about LASIK eye surgery. One of the most commonly asked questions is how long does LASIK last? And that's always a fundamental question that anyone needs answered. And LASIK is truly a permanent procedure. When we correct your eye with laser eye surgery, the correction is based on removing tissue from the eye and having a permanent correction and improvement based on your visual needs. But it's also important to understand that the eyeball, like any other organ of the body, is impacted by general health conditions, medications one might take, aging, so events that are beyond the control of any other aspect of surgery, but truly a process of life. So as far as that goes, they can impact your vision at some point in your life, but the effect of LASIK is still permanent because the correction that was made with LASIK is unchanged, but your vision may be impacted by other aspects of life, if you will. So I hope that answers your question, and I hope that gives you a good understanding of laser eye surgery and its truly wonderful effects on the eye.